Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to move the Safari's address bar to top of the screen. So the inbuilt browsing application Safari is the Safari browser. So you can see at the bottom of the device you can see this is the address bar. So let me show you how to move this one to top of the screen. Okay, for this simply go to settings. Then tap on the option apps. At the bottom you can see the option apps. Tap on this one. Then from here you need to select the option Safari. Okay. Then again scroll down. Here you can see the option single tab. Select this one. Now again open your Safari. Now you can see the address bar is top of the screen. So simply in this way you can move the Safari's address bar to top of the screen in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.